Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to use the Lendingclub auto refinancing calculator. If you're considering refinancing your auto loan through Lendingclub, the auto refinancing calculator is a powerful tool that can help you to estimate potential savings before applying. It's designed to show you how much you could reduce your monthly payments, shorten your loan term, and save on total interest. To access it, log into your Lendingclub account or visit the refinancing section on their website. The calculator will ask you to enter basic details about your current auto loans, such as outstanding balance, interest rates, remaining terms, and monthly payment amounts. You'll also provide some information about your vehicle, like the make, model, and year. Once entered, the calculator generates a side-by-side comparison of your current loan versus a potential Lendingclub refinance offer. You're going to see how the changes in the interest rates or the loan terms could affect both your monthly payments as well as the total cost of the loan over its lifetime. For example, if you refinance to a lower rate, your monthly payment might drop, freeing up extra cash for other expenses. Alternatively, you can choose a shorter term, paying slightly more each month, but saving significantly on total interest cost. Keep in mind that the calculator gives you an estimate, not a guaranteed offer. Actual terms depend on your current credit profile, as well as vehicle conditions and Lendingclub's approval process. Still, using this tool early helps you to make informed decisions about whether refinancing aligns with your financial goal. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.